Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Want to unlock the power of agility and stay ahead of the competition? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to enable business agility and create a culture of success. So, let's dive in. Every organization is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to enabling business agility. However, there are some general principles that can guide you in the right direction. First and foremost, creating a culture of agility within your organization is absolutely essential. It's all about fostering a mindset of continuous improvement and embracing change as a positive force. Encourage your employees to think outside the box, take risks, and reward them for their innovative ideas. Secondly, having the right tools and technologies in place is crucial for supporting an agile business. This means utilizing flexible web-based applications, leveraging the power of cloud-based services, and empowering your team with mobile devices. These technological advancements will keep your organization nimble and adaptable. Last but not least, it's important to keep your organizational structure lean and flat. Say goodbye to excessive bureaucracy and hello to streamlined decision-making. Instead of traditional hierarchical departments, focus on creating cross-functional teams that are laser-focused on achieving specific goals. This collaborative approach will enhance communication, foster innovation, and drive business agility. By following these principles, you'll create an environment that is conducive to business agility. Your organization will be ready to tackle any challenges that come your way and seize new opportunities with confidence. Now we'll explore the key factors that create an environment for enabling agility. A. Mindset. B. Lean agile leadership. C. Leading cultural change. A. Mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in driving business agility. It's the lens through which you perceive the world and approach challenges. So, what exactly is a mindset? A mindset is the result of a lifetime of experiences, learnings, and beliefs. It shapes how your brain processes information, influencing your attitudes, preconceptions, and interpretations. Often, people are unaware of how their mindsets impact their performance and interactions. However, adopting a growth mindset can be a game changer. With a growth mindset, you believe that you can acquire the knowledge and skills needed to overcome any obstacle. It's a powerful tool for entrepreneurs as they navigate the challenges of their ventures. But how can mindsets be altered? It starts with self-awareness, understanding your current viewpoints and how they developed. Embrace the idea that attitudes can be changed and improved. By cultivating a growth mindset, you open yourself up to continuous learning and growth. Now, we all know that having a growth mentality can benefit anyone, but when it comes to entrepreneurs, it's an absolute game changer. So, let's explore 4 reasons why embracing a growth mindset is essential for starting and expanding your own company. New fields can be explored through it. A growth mindset allows you to explore new fields. Take the inspiring story of India Wright, who ventured into entrepreneurship despite having a different professional background. India Wright, a former business banker and assistant clerk at the Washington, D.C. Superior Court, founded Artiste House, a public relations and producing company. But, rather than allowing her previous job to limit her potential, she realized she could learn the language of startups through hands-on experience and entrepreneurship essentials. It fosters resilience. A growth mindset fosters resilience. In the entrepreneurial world, we all face challenges, setbacks, and failures. The ability to bounce back and learn from these tough situations is vital for the survival and growth of your business. A product can be iterated upon through it. A growth mindset encourages iterating upon your product. Instead of viewing unfavorable feedback as a sign of inability, a growth-minded entrepreneur uses it as an opportunity to improve. By embracing a growth mindset, you can uncover your product's flaws and create the best version possible for your target audience. You stay humble with it. A growth mindset keeps you humble. It reminds you that there's always more to learn. Staying open to new ideas and perspectives allows you to adapt to changing market needs and avoid stagnation. Remember, if you are stuck in a fixed mindset, don't worry, you can shift to a growth mindset by exposing yourself to plenty of opportunities for learning and growth. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. We hope these insights have inspired you to embrace a growth mindset on your entrepreneurial journey. In our next video, we'll talk about the other two key factors that create an environment for enabling business agility. Lean agile leadership, leading cultural change. Till then, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable content.